Hello, this is Data Consulting, and today we will be continuing our new series covering the Microsoft application Power BI. To once again reiterate what Power BI is and does, Power BI is described as a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. Your data may be an Excel spreadsheet or a collection of cloud-based and on-premises hybrid data warehouses. Power BI lets you easily connect to your data sources, visualize, and discover what's important. To get started today, we will need to open up Power BI's desktop version. After the application is open, you will need to make sure you are logged into your correct account. Once this is finished, you will see a similar page to the one I am on, though yours will most likely be empty if this is your first time logging on. For today's guide, I will be showing you the Q&A question box and how it can be used to make your Power BI dashboards more intuitive and also to answer questions viewers of the dashboard may have. To access the Q&A section, select the Insert tab at the top of the screen and then select the Q&A button right below it. So once again, the Insert tab at the top and the Q&A button right below it. This will open up a new window, and here you can ask questions and get answers essentially, or visualized answers. So for these examples in the below the search bar, for example, count players will display the total count of players. We can hit the X. We can also try count countries. There's 50 countries involved. But let's say none of these examples are what you are looking for. You can go ahead and type out a question, and if possible, Power BI will answer that question for you with a visualization or just a pure number output. So an example would be, what is the average total point? It will then pull out the average of total points. That's 94.43. Let's try another one. Let's try total points by country pie. And this will display as a pie graph. So it takes our question, what we want to know, and it automatically displays it as a pie graph created based on our question. But now let's say we've decided we want to keep this. We don't want it to go away, so let's keep it. To do that, we need to transform it into a standard visualization. You can do that by hitting this button right up here next to the X, and right away, it will become pinned. It will become a part of the dashboard. All you need to do now is save it, and there you go. That is how you use the Q&A box to get questions answered on your visualizations and on your data sets. That's all I have for today. I hope this has helped in your endeavors to learn and get started using Power BI. I'll be back soon with further in-depth instructions on how to use Power BI to its fullest. Thank you. Have a nice day.